Good morning, classmate. Good morning, sir. Especially to your today discuss four-stroke cycle diesel engine. Intake, compression, power, exhaust. Diesel engine is a type of internal combustion engine that use compression to ignite fuel and produce power. Intake. Intake stroke. The purpose of intake stroke to is to vacuum air fuel mixture to enter the combustion chamber. Function. The function of intake stroke is the intake valve will open and the piston move to TDC to BDC. When the piston is on BDC, that's the end of intake stroke. Compression. The purpose of compression is to compress the fuel mixture. The function of compression is both valves are closed and piston move TDC to BDC. When the piston is TDC, that's the end of compression. Power. The purpose of power stroke is create a power. The function of power stroke is both valves are closed. To optimize diesel fuel and create explosion and power and piston absorb the power of explosion. That's why the piston move to TDC from TDC. When the piston on the BDC, that's the end of power. Exhaust. The purpose of exhaust is release burn gases. Function. The function of exhaust, the intake valve are closed, exhaust are open, that the piston move to TDC or BDC to TDC. Push the burn gases, release. The piston is BDC to TDC, that's the end of exhaust.